Long beam 3D face recognition lock. Face unlock with 3D tech. Hands full, unlock your home easily. Vein recognition tech wave to unlock, ideal for all ages. How many fingerprint sets, key cards, passcodes, physical keys? One-time passcode access. Ringing the doorbells. Voice-changing intercom via app with remote FaceTime. Verify visitors and unlock with one tap. 24-hour active video surveillance. 4.5-inch HD display, keeping your doorstep under control. One-touch auto lock and unlock. Emergency quick-release handle. Manual deadbolt knob. For outsiders, the door stays locked.